Hello, and I thought I would do an update today on the Somerset doll's house. Okay, right, I have just attached the coving, and this coving, if you follow me on YouTube or Instagram, not YouTube, Instagram or TikTok, you would have seen these pictures here of how I made this. I'm not sure if it's on a previous video, but anyway, what I did was I got a panel of hardboard that I measured. I think I wanted it to be 1.5 centimetres. Then I made 2 thinner strips, and then I used some hemming, fancy hemming that I got from a haberdashery. Put that in between, glued them on, painted it, and it does look like an ornate coving. I was quite pleased with it. So I put some damp marks, some faded old 70s style wallpaper. These are weights that I've put down because I have just fit the skirting boards, and this one really didn't want to stick, and it's still playing up a bit. It's still playing up, just doesn't want to play ball, so I might have to leave that weight on overnight, I think. So that's that. More coving over there, more coving here. Now the chimney breast is going there, and what I had to do was make all the chimney breast, put the coving on, put the skirting around it, and it is currently drying. I will show you in a minute. Kitchen, I'm using an old ice cream tub for the washing machine and bits like that. For each room I've got a tub, so like you see, the bathroom has got a tub with little bits in. The bedroom, the same. The bedside table, things like that in. It just makes it easier, because if you do move a doll's house around, the bits are going to be flying everywhere, so it's no good. All this has yet to be painted, all the edgings on the dollhouse. This is just clamping on the coving on this end, because it was lifting this end, so that's holding that on. Oh, the clamps, yeah. So I bought these from a well-known little shop that sells a bit of everything, and they were classed as, what were they called? Hardware clips or household clips. So I bought them, and I thought, yeah, let's give it a try, see how they are. They might be useful. Turns out when I got home, they are actually just a peg. I was ripped off, because here is one I bought previously, and look, it's the same thing. These were advertised as pegs. They were advertised as household clips. Hey, I've been ripped off. They saw me coming. So anyway, they're only £2 for about 10, I think, so it's not too bad. So I'll let them off. Right, here is the kitchen, the outside kitchen wall. That is the outside living room wall. I need to put some coving at the top of there. Damn, forgot about that. I made all that for the living room and forgot about the front wall. So I need to do that. Okay, so that is it for now on there. I'll just scoot you over. So I've got the coving all clamped on, and the skirting board clamped on that side. There's my little fire. Here on this side, there's a little access panel that opens up to allow you to turn on the candle that lights up the fire. So I will show you that in action when it's on the wall. But yeah, it's going okay. It's going all right. It's taking time, but it's going okay. So that is how it will look when it's up on the wall, which is quite nice. Quite nice. So yeah, so that's a quickie. At the end, when all this building is finished, it will be just a case of making little things to fill the rooms, like furniture and things like that. I won't make a video of that. What we'll do is upload pictures of that, because it's pointless just refilming the same rooms over and over again. So yeah, that's it for now. Just a quick one, really. Can't think of anything else. I did buy a light. Hey! So the next proper filmed video with my overhead edge of my flip will be a lot better, you know, regarding lighting and things like that. You won't get shadows. Like if I put something over that, see that? I've got overhead lights, but because the camera's below those overhead lights, I've got this. And it can be the camera or anything, like the anything, even the prop that holds the camera. Well, phone, I do film it on my phone. So, hello. So yeah, it will get rid of that, which is good. But I still need them overhead lights because this room is quite gloomy, really. Even during like the height of the day, it's still really gloomy. So that solves that problem. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that, and it only cost about £8. So I was really pleased with that. So the final film round of the doll's house, I will have the lighting on and things like that, and the light rig on, and it will look pretty good. So yeah, so that's it for now. Probably that will be it till the final film round. Make a window blind for the kitchen. I'm not sure what else to put on it. I mean, I've got a blind for the bathroom. I was pleased with that. I've got nets and curtains for the bedroom, but I wasn't sure about what to do for the kitchen. I'm thinking fake curtains and a roller blind, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. Thinking about that one. Living room is going to have a swag and a curtain, I think, and maybe a net as well. Yeah, probably a net as well. Yeah, so that's it for now. So until the next one, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.